Hindi ng official. Ay, Dom!
Excuse me po.
Sure po. Ay, of course. Pag naka-crop top, talagang go.
Contenta tanda.
Oh, bien! Dom! Ganda pa.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. Another happy Sunday, another day, another send-off from Empire Mercator. And thank you so much for spending your afternoon with us. I'm Isabel de los Santos, your host for this afternoon. And of course, before we start with the events, I would like to thank the following sponsors for making this event possible. Starting off, of course, the Perfect Kind for hosting us for this afternoon. I hope you're enjoying the food. Are you enjoying the food?
Yeah!
Very good. And of course, you would like to thank Hello Glow for the gift pack that you will be receiving or may have received already. Alright! Within the box for the flowers, and of course, Villa Medica and Ever Villena for making this afternoon possible with us. Can I hear a Alright, so without further ado, let's start with the first send-off, of course. Starting off with the Manhunt Male Supermodel send-off. Let's give it up for the Mr. Pilipinas Manhunt International 2025, Jordan San Jose. I'll picture muna, Jordan. Say hi to the media. Someone, I'm so sorry. Jordan, someone.
Jordan!
Alright, next up, I'd like to call Manhunt Korea International 2025, Min Jae Kim. Alright, let's take a photo first before we start. Ayan, mukhang masaya na naman ang ating media friends.
Of course!
Busog na busog talaga dito sa Perfect Time ang ating media friends.
Of course!
Tapos na, wala na kay Tara. Busog na kayo dito pa lang.
Hinjay! Sarah Hill! Jordan, one.
Alright. Photo, another photo. Before we start with a few messages from our kings, I'd also like to acknowledge the presence of the Executive Vice President of Empire, or Miss Universe Philippines, Voltaire Taya. And of course, speaking of Foggy, of course, we're graced with the presence of Mr. Global, Dom Corilla. Alright, so before I open the floor for the media Q&A and my questions as well, would you like to deliver a few messages for media friends? Let's start with you, Jordan, someone.
Oh my God! Jordan! Ang hirap sa likod ni Oyen.
Okay, so gusto ko lang sabihin na thank you for coming here for our send-off, and sobrang dami niya, and I'll miss every one of you pag umasin kami. And since the beginning pa lang pagsali ko, nakikita ko na kayo, a lot of familiar faces, so from then to now, you guys are supporting us, so thank you very much for that.
Welcome!
How about you, Min Jae Kim?
Oh, thank you for here. I'm so nervous, so I'm proud of me.
Thank you, Min Jae. Don't worry. We'll make this media and send off very comfortable and fun for you because we love Koreans. Sarang hair from all of us. Ingit kayo.
Pumaparaan.
Para-paraan!
Anyway, so before we open the floor for media Q&A, I want to ask, are you excited to fly? I know you're both flying tomorrow morning, right? What time's your flight, Jordan? Let's use the mic. Let's use the mic.
7 a.m.
7 a.m. Maybe you would like to invite them as well, so you can share your details of departure.
So 7 a.m. Cebu Pacific Airlines kami, and so early morning siya, yung guys matuwa. So sabay kami pupunta. So free naman if everyone wants to visit.
Yes, okay. So, I know both of you have been preparing for this competition, which will happen on June 10, the final. So, how have you been preparing? Let's start with you, Jordan.
So far, of course, sa physique, syempre ang yung mga talaga gusto nila maganda din ng katawan. And as long as you can carry how you look, how you present yourself, malaking bagay sa kanila yun. And sinunod sa akin ng Josh, of course, Manal International 2022. Just be there to have fun then. At the same time, present the Philippines well.
And I'm sure you will represent the Philippines well. Si Dog na laki ang kampanya niya sa'yo. How about you, Minjay? How have you been preparing for the pageant?
Oh, I prepare. I'm training hard, and I weight training, and I train for their walking.
Walking.
And I will have diet.
Diet. So training, diet.
Yeah, training, diet, and training for their walking. Yeah. So it was so fun. And I have this good
Designer. They helped you with the wardrobe. Yes. Actually, hindi niyo po alam na natuto po ako ng Korean ng pandemic. Simple sample. Sarang hair. No, but I heard half ano. Okay. Anyo? Chiklu? Nuna?
Samgyup.
Nuna. Ate, yes. Very see, he also knows Filipino. Palakpakan natin si Minjay. So Minjay, before I let the media friends ask you questions, so what is your favorite Filipino food? And favorite, sige, Filipino food muna. Food, yeah.
I like chicken and
Chicken? Chicken. Nakala ko din sa chicken. Jollibee!
Oh, tita, ang saya.
Jollibee was my first food in forever Philippines. Yeah.
Oh. By the way, when did you arrive in the Philippines? We wanna know.
I arrived 3 days ago.
3 days ago. Okay. So how has it been like, the 3 days?
Good. Very good.
Oh, very good. Okay, so I know media friends, you want to ask questions for and to these good-looking men. So who wants to ask questions?
Tito Nolly, go! Tito Nolly! Tito Nolly, go!
Good afternoon, I'm Nolly for Open Before Flight. I have a question for Jordan. Jordan, have you seek or asked any advice from last year 100% Kenya, right? What to expect with the actual competition?
Actually, we both talked siguro last February, magkasama kami. And hindi pa ako nag-ask sa kanya, binigyan niya na ako advice na ano daw, medyo strict daw sila when it comes sa manhunt, lalo sa call time, lalo sa pag may mga shoot, may mga events. So, yun daw yung kailangan kong pahalagahan din yung sa oras. And of course, being there, just be, huwag daw masyadong ma-pressure, just pakisamahan din yung mga candidates and of course, yung mga sponsors namin. And mostly, yun, enjoy lang din daw kasi yun na din yung ginawa nila. And yung preparation din of course, body and when it comes to walk. Kasi yung tinitingnan daw talaga nila, yung lakad na. Yun yung malaking bagay daw.
Sa
Is
bagay.
it your first time to travel sa Bangkok?
Actually, yes. Kaya excited din.
So, what do you look forward when you get there? I mean, aside from competing internationally, ano ba yung nilook forward mo sa yung travel sa Bangkok?
Siguro yung mga lugar din. Kung ano yung hindi ko pa nakikita and of course yung pagkain.
Okay. Good luck.
Thank you, thank you.
Ayan, who wants to ask another question for either Minjay or Jordan? Any more questions? For sure may mga questions kayo. Kung wala, ako'y magtatanong. Oyel, you are being requested by Sir Voltaire to ask a question. Tick-tock, tick-tock.
Sige,
I'll try my best. Siyempre, first question is for Jordan. So, sa Manhunt kasi, I think we won once, one round pa lang. So, you talk to our former team from the Philippines, I think is yun, si Jun.
Actually, hindi pa. Hindi ko rin siya naninit pa. Ang mga nakausap ko lang si Dom, of course sumali siya, si Joshua, at si Ken.
Okay. So, nabanggit mo kanina na super important the walk. So, how about the Q&A? And magkakaroon ba ng Q&A portion for the competition?
Nabanggit nung ni Roscoe na there's no Q&A. Kasi hindi talaga yun yung plano niya for Manhunt. Talagang gusto nila pure modeling na. Walk, how you present yourself sa stage. Yun talaga yung pinaka gusto nila. Wala silang... Kasi na-meet ko rin yung ibang candidates and makikita ko medyo nahirapan silang mag-English. So, parang yun talaga yung gusto ni Roscoe na more on physique, face, tsaka how you dress, how you walk.
Okay, so how about the segments naman? Like, magkakaroon din ba ng national costume competition, swimwear, formal wear, and gaano naka-ready ang mga outfits ng isang Jordan for your upcoming international pageant?
Yeah, there is the national costume town sa meron parang fashion show siya.
Okay.
So, Haute Couture yung name niya. So, basically, parang siyang runway show, just runway, and of course may swimwear portion. I think yun yung marami. Swimwear and formal and casual.
Okay, thank you so much. For me, Jay, I don't have a question, but okay. Ikaw naman.
Hello, my name is Eric from Hubin, Philippines. This question is for Jordan. Sa batch mo, halos naka-batch mo may mga titles na naiuwi. Do you feel pressured?
Well, actually, a few days ago, parang doon ko lang naramdaman na, malapit na. Parang nalaban na ako. Kasi tagal 1 year mahigit. So, naramdaman ko nun, kinausap ko yung minsan ko, papasit ko. So, sabi ko, ano gagawin ko? Paano ako natin? So, sinabi naman nila na, malapit naman na enjoy mo na lang, pero galingan mo pala. So, sabi ko, sige, subukan ko.
Thank you. Thank you. Minjay, 친구야, 잘 지내야? Ganun lang, thank you.
Parang,
Thank you.
Sandara to ah.
고맙다 친구야.
Sige, translate mo. I-translate mo.
Okay daw siya, kasi kinamusta ko lang siya.
Lisa, go na.
Mutual understanding yun. Okay. Any more questions from the media friends?
Sherman, go.
Yes,
Sherman.
I think you have been nominated. Miss Bao, madam.
My question is for Minjay. This is the first time na magkaroon kasi ng...
Hoy,
English!
This is the first time that Empire sent
Share the way lang.
a Korean representative. How is it working with Empire?
Parang may sagutin. True. Mahirap sagutin, mahirap mapaliwanag. Korea.
Google Translate.
How is it like working with an organization like Mama Dre, Sir Voltaire? How have they been helping you? You. Sorry.
I'm working with them, so I very happy, very happy, and thank you for
Very happy and grateful, yes.
it's my honor, my glory, so glory for that. Yeah. Thank you.
And rest assured, we will be rooting for the both of you in the international pageant. Yes. Any more questions? Oh, so he really learned a lot of Filipino words in the span of 3 days. Good job, Minji.
We have Christian.
Oh, we have another question. Christian from the Crown PH.
Hi Jordan, congratulations in advance from the Crown Philippines. So, you had the Manhunt Philippines title last year. So how were you able to sustain the, let's say, momentum or your energy to prepare for the series competition?
At first, like I was excited, of course, kasi bago. Then a little bit of time, medyo nawala rin siya. Kasi, it happens talaga. But then, after a while naman, early this year, doon ako mas na-focus din. And mas binigyan ng time kung ano ba kailangan kong gawin. So, nanood ako sa YouTube, paano yung manang dati, ganito. And ayun nga, nakausap ko si Kenneth and si Josh. And they gave me great advice. So, kumbaga, from that point until now, pinigdap ko lang siya ulit for me to be more prepared than I was the first time I got the title.
Alright, I love the very calm, pero he knows what he's doing. So we're also very excited for you, Jordan, to slay it in Bangkok, Thailand. Okay, any more questions before we ask our Mr. Global to give a few words? May questions from oh yes, we have from Madam Pao. Madam.
Of course.
Hello, Jordan. So nice seeing you.
Fantasy.
So Jordan, as we all know, back in 2022, Joshua almost won a crown. He was the first runner back then. Have you talked to him or did you ask any advice to kung ano gagawin mo for this competition?
Yeah, kahapon both of us talked actually after the runway training, and he told me that I'm there for the experience, of course, but at the same time, I have to do well. I have to do well kasi syempre, ito yung name ng Pilipinas. So, he said, you should do your best pa rin, but don't be pressured that much dahil sa mga previous na nakuha place. Just entertain, enjoy, and gagaling ako lang.
Nag-try ka bang alamin yung culture ng Bangkok, ng Thailand?
Yeah, nag-study ako ng konti. And parang same na siya na, of course, the Philippines, di ba? More culture din tayo. And nakita ko na sa kanila, as much as we are, they're really focused then on their culture. Ganun nila pinapahalaga. So, I'm waiting to see kung ano talaga siya in person pagpunta.
Alright, thank you so much.
I to Jordan, is it possible to tell us who are the designers you'll be wearing during the pageant and a little hint of your national costume, if possible?
So my designer for the finals is from Sir Rao, for just a plain black suit, and for other events like Hotel Couture, designer ko si Sir Edric Paz, and ano siya, yung design niya is more like a long suit siya with a long tail belt, mahaba. Ayun. Parang ganun yung suit niya and it's mostly all white. So, sa June siya represent yung Hotel Couture namin. Bali, part siya ng prelim. So, hindi siya makikita kung ano yung itsura. And si Sir Manny Halasan, he provided this and one other suit that I will wear sa pageant.
Designers Minjay. Yes.
Yeah, my designer is number one designer. Name? Lau.
Panalo si Tara. Panalo si Tara.
From Korea.
Yeah,
Sa
for
voting.
Korea, for me. Thank you for
Saan yan? Sa batch?
thank you.
Are there any Filipino designers helping you? Is it Rao? Is it Rao? Okay, very good. Okay. Wow, you're really supported by two countries, Korea and Philippines. Love it. Okay, so any more questions before I ask another question before we end? Love it. You have a question, no? Or no, later. Actually, I have another question before we end. So, of course, the pageant is all about winning the crown. But I want to know, what are you looking forward to in the experience, other than winning the crowns for your countries? Let's start with you, Jordan.
Ano lang, madam. Yung siyempre yung pagpunta doon, first time ko, tingin ko ako yata pinakapata doon. Just to spend time with the candidates and of course, see kung ano yung feeling doon to compete internationally and to represent the Philippines. Basically, yung journey kung gusto kong makita na after noon, babalikan ko na, uy, nagawa ko yun, parang sabi ko sa anak ko, gano'n.
Uy, ba't mo iniisip na yun, ha? But yes, you want to experience and enjoy the journey while getting the crown. Okay, how about you, Minjay? What are you looking forward to in Thailand and in the pageant? Is it the brotherhood, meeting different cultures? What are you excited about? Yes, what makes you excited about the pageant? Excited like, wow, I'm excited! You. I won't be there in Thailand.
Lumalaplay.
You're excited to meet people.
Thailand culture.
Thailand culture.
Food.
Food.
Yeah, no. Damn.
It's hard to say English.
It's okay, we have a translator here. Sir Eric.
Can I say Korean?
Yes.
일단 태국의 문화, 컬처 정말 좋고요. 그 다음에 음식 되게 기대가 되고 I expected Thailand food and culture.
Okay.
And 풍경, nature. Yeah.
Oh.
이 정도 하겠습니다.
By the way, I got a phone-in question, Minjay. What's your Instagram? They want to follow and have you. Yes.
Thank you. My Instagram ID.
Yes, Instagram ID. At?
Let's demo. Ruben M. _ INJAE. Bar.
Okay. Yes, we will send it via group chat. Okay? But we got it. Okay, so... Okay, I think it's about time that we ask Dom. I think Dom really wants to give his message already. So we'd like to call on the Mr. Global to give a few messages for our kings.
Hello everyone. I am so happy that we're finally here for Jordan and Minjay, for them to compete and represent the Philippines for Manhunt International. I'm so excited because Jordan is the youngest among among our brothers and the last to compete. So there's some pressure, but we're already very proud of you for representing us. And one thing I can say is enjoy the food. The food is very delicious in Thailand. It's very spicy, but it's very delicious. The culture is very much the same here in the Philippines. They're very excited to see you. They're gonna, all that stuff. So you'll feel right at home. And one thing I'm gonna say is get to know your brothers in Manhunt. Get to know them. Having that much countries in one place is very, very exciting because you can learn a lot from other cultures, from other countries, and how they, how they live, what their lifestyle is, the traditions. So that's one thing I can say. Just learn from everyone that you meet. Be happy and smile to the media, to the staff, and the audience, the fans. And just give it your all. Leave everything on the stage, and you will be great. That's all I can say. Thank you, thank you.
You should take notes because I remember during the send-off with Tom, he was also very chill. He knew what he was going to do. And wow, he got the crown for the Philippines. So take notes, Jordan and Minjay. So before we get the final photo op, maybe just a few messages of support for the Philippine fans if you want to ask for support.
Alright, so mostly guys, so we're asking for your full support for upcoming Manhunt International this June 10. And sa buong, starting from June 2 up to 10, there's still going to be a voting for Facebook, Instagram, and Kumu. So we're hoping that you guys will still vote there. We're still waiting to be in top 10 in Kumu. Instagram and Facebook, we're doing fine as for now. But we're hoping for your full support there, and also watch us live on June 10. Thank you.
You can our show in Instagram and Facebook. I will do my best, and he will do his best. Thank you for your support, support us, and
Actually, Minjay, would you like to invite them in Korean or in Hangul? Yes.
Yeah.
Invite them. You want to invite them in your native language? Or any, you want your Korean?
Okay.
Speak Korean.
Okay. Just one more.
Okay.
And I want sorry.
It's okay. I'm sorry also.
And I want enjoy with us together. Yeah. 그리고 한국에 계신 저를 보고 계신 분들 제가 지금 여기서 김민자 여기 왜 있지? 라고 생각하시겠지만 저는 이제 남자로서 태어나서 해볼 경험들을 좀 다 해보고자 이렇게 이 자리에 섰습니다. 어떻게 저를 좀 서포트 해주시고 지지해 주시고 도와주시고 응원해 주시면 감사하겠습니다. 열심히 해보겠습니다. 네. I will do my best. Thank you.
Wow, can I just say, when you were speaking in your native language, I was really, it gave me Korean drama feels. Annyeong. Alright, so I think everyone was also feeling that when you were speaking in your native language, we were all having hard times. So I think in Bangkok, just keep speaking in your native language, let them do the subtitles. Okay, so good luck, King. So let's do a final photo op with just the two of them first, and then Mr. Global and our Mr. Executive Vice President, Walter Tala, aka Celeste Cortez.
Dito naman, dito naman. Eyes here.
Eyes there. Eyes there first. Jordan!
No.
No, you too.
Here.
Here. Jordan, eyes on me. Charing. Jordan, eyes on me. Always.
Yeah, dito naman.
Ayan, eyes on me.
Kuya.
Excuse me.
Diyos ko naman, kuya.
Excuse me.
Naman.
Eyes
Ayan,
on
wala
me.
na tuloy.
Wala tuloy.
Diyos, kuya, kung kayo lumarap dito.
Jordan!
Here.
Jordan, eyes on me. Jordan!
Jordan to your right.
Jordan with your ate. Jordan, eyes on me again.
Min J, not Min J. Min J Kim, take note.
Min J Kim.
Sorry, patagos lang po.
DJ, here.
This is not
Patagos
a
lang po.
Korean opera, just to let you know. So good looking. Annyeong.
DJ, over yan.
Is this Park Seo-joon? Park Bo-gum? No, it's Min J Kim.
Sige na, Isa. Ay! Ay!
Wow, half price, half Korean. Half price, half Korean. Isa pa. Ama na, te. Ama na. Hoy, kanina pa. Ama na. Ano?
Alright, with Mr. Global naman. Also, heart please. Heart din, pala mo dong.
Dong! Dong! Boys, eyes on me. Eyes on me.
Alright. Alright, so that concludes. Okay, join now. And that concludes our send-off for the Mr. Manhunt Supermodel 2025. Let's all give it up for them. Let's all clap for them, everyone. Okay, so of course, we have 2 send-offs for today. But before we go to the second part, we would like to have a quick break so you can eat once again at the buffet of Perfect Pint. Once again, we would also like to acknowledge the following sponsors. So thank you so much, Perfect Pint, for hosting us for this afternoon. Hello Glow for the gift packs, Within the Box for the flowers, and Millennica and Ever Millennia. Once again, thank you so much for the following sponsors, and also acknowledging the presence of Executive Vice President Sudhir Kayak and Mr. Global Tom Corilla. But we will be right back, and we'll be back in 5 minutes.
Isa ama na, ha?
Nakaisama doon. And you can take a break, CR break, and also a quick food break. We'll be back for the Super Duo stand-up. Thanks, everyone!
Mama J is back. Dapat umalis. Overbeing ko pa naman.
Magbibigyo pa naman ako.
Kaya ka. Sino umalis?
Hindi ka dito.
Pumasok ka.
Pumasok ka.
Hi, Miam.
Diba? Pinag-aralan ko yun, ah.
Shingo. Shingo. De. Shingo ya. Shingo ya.
Diba?
Shingo ya. Shingo ya.
Sana si Minji.
Shinguya! Shinguya!
Ma. Mama. Lalabas si Minji. Lalabas ba dito?
Hello, Manchester. Meron naman. Hello?
Kumain daw muna. Nagutom. Nagutom. Pero masarap yung iced tea.
Tama na yun, bro.
Mag-i-edit
Minji. Anong Minji?
Alam ko na, Minji.
Tama na. Pati kayo. Edit lang ako.
Minchin.
Minji. Miss Minji.
Sa'yo to, bro?
Bakit? Huwag mo na laitin.
Edit ako. Minchin.
Saranghe.
Shinguya!
Saranghe. Amen.
Shinguya! Shinguya!
Minji.
Sila tayo daw.
Ayan.
Tayo po dito ah.
Minji. Minji.
Hi, Mima! Mwah.
Oh, lang.
감사합니다.
Nakisahod lang ako.
Gusto ko mo ganun eh.
Ano? Go.
Gusto ko mag Gusto ko ng ano, bacon steak. Yes! Ang crispy. Sarap pag moment sa bahay.
Kaya patatas toast ka, di ba? Hindi ba?
Masarap na kainit kapag nakahiga ka lang.
Mag-share na rin nakakamukiwalis kasi.
Hoy! Hoy! Shinguya. Sabi niya yung matagaw niya, may ano.
Ano, Shinguya?
Pali-pali!
Ano?
Cake quick. Very quick lang daw.
Pwede na to. Quickie! Gano'n na lang? Quickie.
Quickie?
Kaya siya! Parang ano na? Ano ka na? Too much na yung pag-stay mo ah. Na-enjoy! Nag-graduation na kayo?
Schedule for today.
Tagal pa. Kaysa wala ka namang gawin. Mabuhay, yung mabuhay. I-forward mo na dun sa ano, yung kumakanta na. Yung kumakanta na ha. Tagal naman. Scholar. Doon na sa ano kumakanta na. Yung kumakanta na kasi. Oh, napasobra. Ayan na, ayan na.
M underscore kasi daw eh. M underscore.
O, pa.
Sila pasay. Sila pasay.
O, pasok.
Di ba may J. Kim? Ay, parang iba nga itong lumalabas. Hindi na pasay.
Wala pa.
Pasok sila. Kayla. Sa gilid. Professor Board.
Lapit na.
Baka ito. Ano ba yan?
Nak, sige, go na. Tagal naman. Ayun na, ayun na.
Min Jae Kim, Korea. Ah.
Exciting!
Let's all welcome the Miss Universe movie.
Guys, set na tayo. Lapit na sila. They're coming. Media, set na tayo.
Japanese.
Alright, everyone, thank you so much for waiting because we're about to start with our second portion, which is the Super Duo send-off. But before we begin, I would once again like to acknowledge the sponsors. So thank you so much, Perfect Pie, for hosting us for this afternoon. Within the box for the flowers, and also Hello Glow for the gift packs that you will be receiving or may have received already. So huwag po kayo papayag na umalis kayo ng walang Hello Glow gift packs, okay? And also thank you so much Villa Medica and Ever Villena for making this event possible. And once again, we would also like to acknowledge the presence of our beautiful guests this afternoon, starting off with Miss Supranational 2024 Japan. Yuki, Miss Yuki, would you like to stand up and say hi to our media friends? And pag natin si Miss Beautiful Yuki. Sonada, okay. And of course, our very own Miss Supranational 2024 Philippines and Asia and Oceania. Talagang kita sa Continental Queens, ano? Miss Alethea Ambrosio. And I think we can start with welcome. Okay. Again, once again, thank you so much for coming. And just to remind you of the finals night for Miss Supranational 2025, it's gonna happen on June 28, 3 a.m. Philippine time. Once again, to support Tara, her finals night is on June 28, 3 a.m. And for Kenneth, his finals night is on June 29, 3 a.m. as well. So that's gonna happen in Novi Sad, Malopolska, Poland. And of course, we'd also like to acknowledge the presence of Mr. Jonas Gafford, the CEO and President of Empire Philippines. And I think we can begin by welcoming our stars for this Super Duo send-off, starting off with our Mr. Supranational 2025, Kenneth Cabulcal. Looking dashing. Palakpakan natin si Kenneth. Alright, photo op first before I call on our next one. Smile to our media friends, Kenneth. Looking dashing. I love the outfit.
Kenneth to the right.
And by the way, they're also flying tomorrow, I believe. They're flying tomorrow for Poland. So let's also support our Super Duo. And now our Miss Supranational Philippines 2025, Miss Sara Valencia. Ang ganda. Alright, let's all smile for the media before we start.
Tara! Tara! Tiara mo? Ay, sorry. Sorry. Tara there.
Alright, you can now have a seat. So take your seat. Alright, so welcome. I know you're all flying tomorrow, so maybe you can share a few details if they want to join you in the departure. So, Tara, would you like to share the details?
Hello, once again, and of course, thank you for being here today to send us off. So, I am leaving June 7, 12:30 I think in the afternoon, and please to join me as I fly towards Poland. So, magkakaroon tayo ng layover first before we go directly to Krakow.
Hindi pa po ako aalis kasi sa June 15 pa po ako. But first, I want to thank you all for coming here today. I want to thank this organization for setting this send-off for us and for trusting us on representing the country of the Philippines in international stage or in supranational stage. And thank you all to my friends, to my brothers, and to everyone who came here for our send-off presentation. And welcome, everyone.
Thank you so much, Kenneth. Alright, so I know our media friends have questions already, but I also have questions for you. And I want to know, how have you been preparing for your respective pageants? Let's start with you, Tara. And I'm sure you've been preparing really hard and really well for this.
So since we're about to fly to Poland, so it's already crunch time. A lot of things are to be intensified, starting off with the fitness, with the preparations of the outfits, and at the same time, when it comes to my own communication skills as well. And not to mention, what I'm really preparing of is how I'm going to immerse myself when it comes to the culture of Poland, and at the same time, the culture of my twin sisters, as I share the culture of the Philippines as well.
In my preparation, since this will be my last pageant show or my last show in pageant, I really did well prepare for this because I didn't want to lose this chance and opportunity to represent again the Philippines on the international stage. So I did prepare holistically. That includes my mental. I need to be mentally strong on this and also be more physically fit. So I also made sure about my physique. And I also want to thank my brother Enzo Bonoan from Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide because he helped me on my workout and he's making sure that he's always contacting me every day, making sure that I'm working out and doing his program. And also, I need to also be prepared spiritually because I know that this wouldn't be possible without God. And also, making sure that I prepare all my things like my suits, the things I need in Poland because it's far away and I need to make sure that I don't left anything behind before going to Poland. Thank you so much.
Alright, so I know you really prepared holistically for this, but more than the preparation, what are you looking forward to? And what excites you about the pageant in Poland? Is it both of your first time in Poland?
Yes, I'm so excited going there. And since this is not my first time anyone going to outside country, thanks to Mama Jay. So it's very proud. I recently go to Australia and I'm very thankful for that opportunity because it's also a training for me flying outside the country and experiencing what to do because maybe I get lost in the airport when I go there because I don't really know how to travel internationally. So thanks to Mama Jay. And I'm so excited also to create more friendships there, brotherhoods. That's one thing in pageantry that I really want and I'm always expecting because I know that this pageant thing is just 4 days and I hope that I will really have the brotherhood that will last a lifetime.
Thank you, Ken. Actually, I agree. More than the crown, it's also important that you enjoy the journey, the company. But what's happening to the crown talaga. So, we're excited to see you enjoy. Just enjoy the journey, Ken. How about you, Tara?
Well, this is also my first time going out of the country. But at the same time, there's a lot of things that we should look forward to when it comes to Miss Supranational competition. There are the top model challenges, fashion ceremony, the preliminary and the finals. But what I'm really most looking forward is how we're going to take an adventure with my Queen sisters in Miss Supranational. Because little do you know, we are already talking to each other, conversing, and then calling. And na-realize ko, we're also experiencing the same challenge that we are going through once we are into preparing and even once we are going to go to Poland. And sobrang happy ako that every Queen Sisters are treating this competition as a friendly competition.
Ayan, since nasabi mo na you've been connecting to your other Miss Supranational sisters, who have you been really talking to or sino yung mga naging close mo? Like right now, nito si ang nabuong friendship sisterhood from Japan to Manila, dinala ni Alinea. No, but yun, in your batch, sino yung mga naging close mo online?
Sabihin nila bias ako if I had to choose one.
But
there are a lot of Queen sisters that I'm talking to, Miss Australia, Miss Cayman Islands, and even Miss Thailand.
Love it. So, ikaw, Kenneth, syempre ikaw din, mayroon ka na siguro nag-message.
Yes.
Okay. Sino yung mga naging friends mo na virtually?
Mga nakausap ko na is sila Mexico, sila Netherlands, and I hope to get more friends pa, personally.
I'm sure. And speaking of friends, syempre I would like to share this opportunity with our media friends to ask the questions kasi kayo naman sila I'm tired for all of both of you. Okay. So, media friends, us, who would like to ask the first question? Okay, for the Philippines, ang una-una. Oyel.
Hello, I'm Oyel for the Philippines. First, congratulations to Tara for winning the first Supra Influencer online voting. Nakapost na kami sa International. Congratulations. So, any message to our fellow Filipinos na who voted for you and mag-vote pa lang sa upcoming online voting at online puksaan?
So, lubos ako nagpapasalamat sa bawat Pilipino sumuporta sa akin. sa tatlong araw na pagboto na Miss Influencer Challenge. And at the same time, nakita namin yung post. Kanina lang, we were having our photo shoots for upcoming postings. And sobrang saya ko to the point that umingay talaga ang Empire Studio. And those Filipinos out there, please continue to support me. Umpisa pa lang to ng ating laban. And I'm pretty sure na once you support me, mas lalo tayong pag-iingat natin sa supranational stage.
Okay. How about you, Kenneth? Like, can you promote the online voting for the Mr. Supranational?
Oh yes naman guys, please do support us, most especially online, sa lahat po ng kapwa ko Filipino, sa lahat ng supporters ko, please do, kasi we really need you guys, we need your support, and mas gagalingan pa namin kung nandiyan kayo. Salamat.
Okay. Next question is, for the past few years, Pauline and Alitea bought pride in our country and perform well in the Miss Supranational pageant. So, how's the pressure for you, Tara? And of course, to Kenneth, kasi nag-placement din tayo last year for Mr. Supra. You first, Tara.
Wala, kakaiba rin talaga ang standards na sinet ng Miss Pauline, and of course, our very own Alitea. But at the same time, this type of pressure is what I'm taking towards me as a motivation. A motivation for me to even strive harder to be able to showcase what Filipino excellence means. Because for more than a decade, Philippines, it's about time for us to bring home the crown once again.
Wow! Sa akin naman po is, there's always pressure, especially when you're reaching for the stars. So, but it's more of an honor that I will carry in my heart, na hindi ko po ito sasayangin na chance. Kasi minsan ang po ito mangyari. Mas galingan ko po talaga. And I think this is also my comeback in international stage. Kaya I hope that what I've learned from my previous pageant I can apply in this journey.
Thank you so much and congratulations again.
Ako lang muna Tito Nori kasi malapit dito sa akin. Good afternoon. My name is Franz Ivan, and in the pageantry they call me Mars Franz. Congratulations. Two different stories, two different timeline yung kay Tara at kay Kenneth. Would it be okay if you could walk us through with your preparation? For example, kay Tara, you have a longer preparation, and kay Kenneth, months of preparation. Could you walk us through with the preparation? Kenneth, start tayo sa'yo.
As what I've said earlier, I did really prepare holistically kasi gusto ko pong mas galingan doon and mas ibigay yung best ko. And para po walang butas yung performance and lahat ng gagawin ko doon sa Poland. So, medyo pressure siya kasi konti lang yung time. But I'm thinking also na it's been 3 years that I'm joining pageantry now. And I have learned a lot from those 3 years of my pageant journey. So I think I'm ready now for covering again in the international stage. And I think yung mga natutunan ko is that those are the things that I will really apply on my journey in Supranational.
Thank you, Tara.
Since we have 1 whole year to prepare, I first started off with having a good mental state. Kasi joining an international pageant it wouldn't be easy, but at the same time, bringing people together to rally behind my back, it's a way for me to even push myself harder. And at the same time, just like any other beauty queens, we are preparing for the evening gowns, we're preparing for the national costume, the swimsuit, and of course, our physical aspect as well. So there's going to be a lot of segment in the Supranational. So starting with startlets off for the sashing ceremony, which will be on June 10. We're going to have the top model quite soon, and the job interviews, and we're looking forward as well for the preliminary and the final competition as well.
Thank you and congratulations. Magdala kayo ng giant mangoes.
best of luck to both of you for your international competition. So, first question for Tara. Okay, Tara, can you describe to us the difference between Tara, who competed in a national pageant last year, and Tara now, who is about to compete in a major international?
Well, the Tara that you got to know last year, it's a second version of Tara right now. Braver, stronger, and even bolder. A Tara who will be able to stand out on that international stage, showcasing the type of Filipino excellence. Because it's kind of the spotlight where the Miss Supranational is really, hopefully, looking for.
Okay, and for Caleb naman. Okay, Caleb, as one of the winners of the Supra Challenge, ano pa yung plan mo para mabuti yung moral at yung confident pagdating mo sa moral? Ano ba yung mga plan mo, your game plan para mabuti yung moral mo and lumakas lalo yung confident mo when you get your opponent?
Right now, I think must always be ready and prepared when we go to Poland. So right now, I'm using my time well in my preparation right now. Also in my Q&A training and my physique, I'm making sure na mas prepared ako when I go there. And Kenneth is someone that is always ready when I'm going to Poland.
Okay, thank you very much.
Hello, hi, Kuya Ethan from Manila Standard. Tara, you mentioned a while ago that there will be many segments in this Supranational, and for sure it's the same with Mr. International. So how do you plan to maintain your morale and high spirit as these segments go by?
As I said a while ago, I took a few months to build my own mental health state, and I'm pretty sure that building my morale or even bringing my morale in that international stage would mean having the type of confidence that we are ready and we are ready to be able to take home the title.
What about you, Captain?
As what I've also said, that I need to be holistically prepared. So one of this is being mentally prepared. I need to be mentally strong and also preparing for also having this moral.
Last question. First time ko magkaroon ng medyo controversial. There are instances in pageantry wherein kasi we've known you as natural beauty, Queen Tara and Bing Kenneth, no? What can you say about pageant situations wherein an enhanced or an obviously enhanced candidate defeated natural beauty at the end of the show? What's your opinion about this?
Sorry,
What's your opinion, Queen Tara, about an enhanced beauty, an obvious enhanced beauty defeated a natural beauty at the end of the show?
Ako naman, I have nothing against enhanced beauty or even artificial beauty as long as that type of beauty queen is doing it for themselves and not for the standards of the society. And if that's their way to be able to be confident around people, then we should support them.
For me naman po, I don't have anything about it naman po because I know that what matters most is the character of the person, the attitude of the person and his purpose. It's not just about his beauty and his brain, but yeah, I think what's more important is his or her purpose.
Thank you so much for your opinion. Good luck, guys.
Hi, my question is for Tara.
what's your message sa mga nagsasabing mahihirapan ka daw kung yung corona this year? Okay, what's your message sa mga nagsasabing mahihirapan ka daw kunin yung corona this year?
Ayun, gaya nga na sinabi ko sa statement ko, my own broadcast channel, nothing worth it comes easy. So it might be a difficult road, but I know it will be worth it with our own effort, our own dedication.
Mahihirapan ka nga ba, Tara?
Mahihirapan ka ba? Hindi, kapayanin natin.
That's it. Ikaw, kaya mahihirapan ka rin ba?
Mahihirapan po, but nandyan po kayo kaya.
Ganyang mga sagot.
Ikaw, Miss Anne. Ikaw, bored. Mahihirapan ka rin ba?
Actually, yung question ko na tanong na rin ni Sherman. So, of course, may national costume tayong segment sa Miss Supranational and Mr. Supranational. And I know na hindi nyo naman i-disclose kung ano ang tema ng ating national costume. But in one word, can you describe your national costume and evening gown? Tara. National costume and evening gown. For national costume muna.
For national costume, I'm going to give you 3 hints. First, it will be beautiful. Second, it is designed by a Filipino designer. And then, I really want to honor my own cultural heritage.
How about the Bagia? Gown. One word na.
It will highly define Philippines as a it will highly define the Philippines located as at the Pacific Ocean.
Alright. Tara, how do you feel na isa ka sa, of course, you din naman, front-runner siya mga Miss Philippines natin sa Supranational. But how do you feel na yung journey mo, parang may vibes na sobrang lakas mo na candidate ng Miss Philippines? You have a lot of fans sa mga Latin pageant community. Of course, yung mga nababasa ko yung mga Asians natin, mga kapitbaler. So, how do you feel na ang lakas-lakas na journey mo this time?
My heart is so full knowing that it's not just the Filipino rallying behind my back, but also other countries as well. And I won't be able to make this journey possible without all your support. So salamat po sa inyo lahat.
Yes. Good luck, Tara, ha?
Thank you naman.
And of course, Kenneth, may question. Ano yung message mo or ano yung
thing na I am unique from the previous batch of kings na nag-represent the Philippines. And I hope na ma-appreciate ko nila yung beauty from the inside and outside ko as a Filipino.
Thank you so much and best of luck. Mananalo kayo, promise, na nararamdaman ko.
Iba yung pas-pas. Pas-pas.
Yeah.
Sa picture.
Sa picture. As a Miss Universe picture.
And ako po sa national costume.
Ayan. Sorry.
Actually, we don't have national costume, but we have charisma around instead. And it's made by my friend Axel Huy.
Anong
Charisma Chuba round.
Wow, so iba yung charisma dapat ipapakita mo dito.
I think one word po na ma-describe nila is bongga.
Bongga!
Kaya abangan niyo po. Watch out. Thank you so much.
Hi guys. They're here from Video Video Philippines.
Ay, ang labot.
Critical. Will be bringing some lucky charms with you.
Right. Manika.
Lucky charm po. I always, every time I have something po, or doing something, most especially pageant, I always bring my Bible with me. Because this will always remind me with my trust and faith with God. Kahit anong challenges and anong pagdalaanan ko, it always God will always be with me, no matter what.
Ako naniniwala din ako sa lucky charm eh. I do have 2 lucky charms that I give it to. First is I always bring my rosary or my prayers. Second is I have this indigenous accessory which we call Lingling O. This Lingling O is what we call as womanhood and also serves as love in our indigenous tribe. And I've been bringing this since last year when I competed, and I think that this brought me luck to where I am now.
Alright, so that concludes our media Q&A. But of course, before we send you off, we have a few messages from very important people. Starting off with our Miss Supranational Asia and Oceania, Miss Alethea Ambrosio, na talagang namumulaklak today. Ay!
Yes, hello, good afternoon everyone. And I just want to say, of course, welcome to the Supra family, Kenneth and Tara. I'm very proud of both of you. And knowing the standards, based on my experience of the owners, I know you will really excel in the competition. And by the way, it's not a competition, it's an experience. Kilala ko to si Tara, she's very hardworking, very masipag. Hanggang midnight talagang nagtitraining siya doing her hair and makeup, her pasarela. And with Kenneth naman, hindi kami masyadong nakapag-bond, but in that short time, I know he has a pure heart, very mabait. And I'm pretty sure makokoronahan tong dalawang to for Miss Supranational and Mr. Supranational. Congratulations!
Ginabahan ako dun ha. Mahihirapan sila.
Thank you so much, Alethea. And of course, we have a few more queens sharing their messages. So let's also call on Miss Supranational Japan 2024. Nahirapan ako, ang daming mga roles. Okay, Miss Yuki.
Hi, Tara. Hello, thank you. First of all, thank you, Philippines, for having me here today. Tara, I've been a fan of Filipino beauty queens ever since I was little, and seeing Tara for the first time, I was starstruck. So, yes, in Miss Supranational, I hope you have a great time. It's really a fun place. You will meet lots of people that you'll be friends with for the rest of your life, like me and Alethea. So, I wish you good luck. And also, Kenneth, good luck at Mr. Supranational. I'll be rooting for both of you as well.
I love the multicultural guests that we have here. We have Korea and Japan. And now, of course, we have from the Philippines again, our Miss Supranational 2026, Kat Legado. Miss Supranational 2026 Philippines. So we had whole Kim Lim agad. Oy.
Tara and Kenneth, ito, hindi lang 100% sure. 200% sure ako, super ready na kayong dalawa. Diba? I-clear na natin agad-agad kasi Tara mananalo ka this year and susundan natin yan next 2026. Magpa-back-to-back. So yung manifest natin, I'm sure with the amount of the time of preparation and nakita ko with how you prepare for your walk, your pasarela, your coaching, with the Q&A, everything covered talaga. So I'm super ready and I'm so excited for you. I hope makapag-suporta kami lahat all the way to Poland. But of course, lahat ng nakasuporta sa dito sa Pilipinas, we got your back talaga. We will rally with you in this journey and I'm super excited for you, your crowning moment. And also kay Kenneth, I'm so happy kasi nakasama ko siya agad after the crowning moment ni Kenneth, and I'm sure ready ka din. And just enjoy the experience sa Poland, and I'm looking forward sa homecoming. Congratulations and good luck, Super Queens and Queens.
Thank you, beautiful Kat. And of course, kung meron tayong Miss Supranational Philippines 2026, meron din pwede pang lumaban dito. Ang napakagandang National Director ng Miss Universe Philippines, Miss Ariela Arida. Short message lang po, if you want.
We want, actually. We don't want what we want.
Yes, so Tara and Kenneth. Basta sa akin, don't forget kung ano yung purpose. Kung ano yung pinaka-purpose nyo sa competition. And of course, is winning the crown. And actually, I agree na with your presence right now, sobrang lakas ng labanan. 100% sure. Sobrang lakas ng Philippines. And ang galing din because the beauty that we're sending to Poland is something na I know ma-appreciate na not only the organizer but the people na makakasama nito. Basta don't forget to have fun pa rin. And I know you guys are so prepared. And huwag mong kakalimutan kung sino kayo. Kasi ayun yung would make you more stand out among the candidates and their representatives. So once again, I would congrats you in advance. I'm really happy with what I'm seeing right now. I'm really positive na kaya-kaya nyo makuha yung corona. Kaya.
Thank you, Miss Ariela Arida, na napakaganda talaga. And of course, speaking of napakaganda, ito talaga ang pinakamaganda sa room na ito. You like to call him the Executive Vice President, also known as Celeste Cortesi, Sir Voltaire Kaya. No, by the way, rebrand na ata, last press one, to Miss B.
Celeste without attitude.
Ay!
I'm really glad that I'm here with these two. Tara and Kenneth, they're the best kind of people. The ones that you want to see succeed, not just in their pageants, but in their life. Each of them have such a beautiful story. They're doing this for their families. They're doing this not just for themselves, but the people around them. But they also have very good hearts. And those are the kinds of people that I personally love supporting. And from the time that, first with Tara, first time ko siya nakita in Miss Universe Philippines during the press presentation, I was like, oh my God, who is she? It's very easy to spot her. She has this natural glow, and I think a lot of the media would say that she's like one of those girls na kahit walang sasabihin, tatawa-tawa lang, and then you're like 9.9. But the amazing thing is she works hard. And I've seen that, and I've heard her. She's always so eager to learn. And the same thing with Kenneth. Both of them know that they had a lot of things to improve on. They accept that with a lot of humility, but they also work so hard to get to where they are today. And I'm hoping that this coming June, all of that hard work will pay off. And I know it will. So congratulations.
Of course!
Thank you so much. Napakagaling talaga sa Q&A. Celeste. And now, we would like to take a photo op. Of course, before the photo op, we would like to give our flowers for our Miss Supranational Philippines 2025. Our gift from Hello Glow. Thank you so much once again to Within the Box for the flowers. And Hello Glow and Ever Belena for the gift packs. For Kenneth, huwag ka mag-alala. Prayers ang bibigay namin sa'yo.
Mas powerful.
Tutulungan ka namin siya. Okay, picture.
Laro ka, isa kalsado. Bagay!
Once again, thank you so much. Perfect Pint for hosting us this afternoon.
Kenneth, Tara, dito!
Supradu!
Tara, don't pikit! Walang pipikit!
Grabe, ang gaganda at ang guwapo ng ating candidates. Proudly Pinoy.
Ang guwapo! Ganda!
Who are you wearing, Tara?
Who are you wearing daw, Tara? I'm wearing... I love it. You look so beautiful.
Sabotage!
Sorry po. Ako po yun. My bad.
Sobrang ganda.
Tara!
Tara, dito naman.
Tara to the right!
Tara dito sa official.
Official ano?
Official at official.
Ay! Love you, official fixer. Official fixer.
Official fixer here. Kenneth Black, official fixer.
Kenneth! Kenneth!
Walang news.
Alright, and also our special guests, our supranational sisters, Queen Sisters, Althea, Yuki, and Kat Legado. Grabe, ang gaganda nila. And of course, very good looking Kenneth Kabuka.
Gaganda!
Pinay na Pinay.
Pinay at Japonesa.
Thank you. Okay, boys.
Alright, boys, now with Mr. Global and Jordan and Minjay.
Silang tatlo. Yan, halo-halo yan.
Halo-halo.
Mixer, correct.
And now we'd like to get the executive committee to join the photo op. That's with Miss Ariela Avida, Sir Volker Kayat, and Mama J.
Mama J! Mama J! Sino ka dyan, Mama J?
Clara.
Celeste and?
Celeste and?
Ano si Mama J?
Sino si Mama J? Bea Gomez.
Ay! Sorry. Ang fresh naman ng Celeste. Dahil dyan, tingin kayo dito.
And that concludes our send-off for today. Thank you so much for coming and joining us. And once again, I'm Isabel Dos Santos, your host for today. Good afternoon and see you all soon. Let's all support our kings and queens of the Miss Philippines. Thank you.
Sa akin nila yung outfit mo, Tara. Ang ganda.
Okay. Good photo. Once again, don't forget, we have Hello Glow gift packs for everyone. Huwag niyong kalimutan. Huwag po kayong aalis.
Namiss ko yung product ng Hello Glow. Wala pa ata ako yan.
Thank you so much, Ever Belen and Hello Glow, and also Villa Medica for sponsoring this event.
Ang sarap naman dumihan ni ano? Crispy. Oh, ang puting-puti naman ang aking anak.
Ang pure! Nag-tight ka ba? Diba?
Naku, ang ganda-ganda nito.
Alright,